Hello everyone, this is prismatic compass. It is an instrument used in surveying for measuring the bearing of a line, and it is also used to locate the north direction. Very simple and handy instrument. Sometimes it is also used for compass traversing. The least count of this instrument is 30 minutes, hence it is not used for very precise work. Let's see the component parts of the prismatic compass. It has an eye vane, slit, guide vane, it's a magnetic needle. There is a graduated ring which is marked 0 to 360 degree. That means it is in whole circle bearing system. The screw for fixing it on a tripod, and it also sometimes has a bubble tube for leveling purpose. It is a theodolite, also known as a transit, because its telescope can be revolved in vertically plane about horizontal axis in 360 degree. This instrument is used for measuring horizontal angle, vertical angle. It is also used for extending a survey line and theodolite traversing. The least count of this instrument is 20 seconds. This can be used for precise work. Let's see the component parts of a theodolite. It has vertical axis, objective, telescope, altitude bubble, vertical clamping screw, trunnion axis, vertical circle, eyepiece, plate level, upper plate, vernier A and B, lower plates, inner spindle, outer spindle, tri-barge, leveling screw, trivet, tripod head and tripod leg. The two plates are graduated. Main scale is graduated in degree and minutes, whereas vernier scale is graduated in minute and seconds. Thank you.